Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing an honest review of SamCart. Now, if you don't know what SamCart is, it's basically a platform that allows you to sell products and services online. It also helps you create very high converting sales checkout pages, which is extremely helpful in maximizing your revenue. I use SamCart for a lot of my checkout pages. I found that their templates are very conversion focused. And yeah, overall, I'm super happy with their platform. So if you guys click on the link down below, it's going to take you to this exact page. And first, let's actually just take a look at their pricing. So I'll come here to pricing right here, and you guys can see there are 3 different plans, and we can actually sort by monthly or annual. I definitely recommend going with the annual plans because you save a significant amount of money, 33 to 47%. And yeah, you can see the pricing for the launch plan is $39 a month, the grow plan is $79 a month, and the scale plan is $159 a month. Might seem a little bit expensive at first glance, but if you really want to maximize your sales, I think something like this is really worthwhile to invest into. And yeah, let's take a look at some of the different features. I'll say that for 90% of you guys watching this, the grow plan is probably going to be the best. It has the most features in my opinion for the price. But if you do want some more advanced features, then you're going to want to get the scale plan. But yeah, for the grow plan, let's take a look. Basically, they allow you to do order bump collections, post-purchase upsells. They give you a ton of different marketing reports and a built-in SEO engine. I found that their customer support is really good. They get back to you very fast. And then for the scale plan, you guys can see this includes cart abandonment, conversion, subscriptions, an affiliate center, and built-in A/B testing. So if you want those advanced features, you guys, that's really worth it. I'd go with the scale plan. Yeah, right now, if you guys use my link down below, it's going to take you actually to a free trial. You guys can basically just try out their platform, no strings attached. Now, if you guys are curious what the landing pages sort of look like for SamCart, I'll open up some of these that I built. So this is my workout with Charlie page. You guys can see very clean template. It tells you what the offer is about. We can have videos, we can have things like this, and then it takes us to our little checkout section. And for this one, we have a couple different upsells, and basically they can just click this and purchase it. Here's a different one that we have. You guys can see we have a video featured up here. We'll scroll down here. We have some testimonials. We have an FAQ, and here's the very simple checkout portion. If your audience doesn't want to, add something to their order, they can check this box. They can check this box. And so yeah, this was built using SamCart, and you guys can definitely make something very similar looking to this. Let me show you guys quickly what it looks like to actually edit the look of one of these pages. So if you click here on design, it's basically going to take you to this page, and you guys can see it's very easy to change. I can just come here. We can change up the text. We can change all the different margins, the font. We can change this video back here if you want. We can change all the link colors and button colors. And yeah, it's a very simple drag and drop editor that literally anyone can learn how to use. We can also look at it on mobile. So these are all mobile optimized, which is very important. And yeah, you'll definitely want to make sure, you guys, that your checkout page is optimized for a phone, because if it's not, you're going to miss out on a lot of purchases. So within the dashboard for SamCart, you guys can look at your activity, your customers, orders, subscriptions, all these different things. We can take a look at different upsells. If I want to create a new upsell, I'll click on this. We can also build out funnels. And yeah, overall, it's just a really good, solid platform. The pricing is a little bit more than, a lot of people want to spend. But if you want to take this seriously, if you want to maximize your conversions and have more advanced features within your cart, then using something like SamCart is extremely important. Let's say I want to create a new product. I'll click on this. We'll write test product right here. We can add a description if we want. Let's say the price is $10, and we'll click create product. Here you guys will be able to write everything about the product details. You'll select the type of product that you're selling. We can allow or disallow coupons. For the checkout design, we can actually select from all the different templates. You guys can either use it solely as a checkout page without anything else, so it looks something like this, or you can make it look more like a landing page with a design and the sales cart at the bottom. That's also another option. So for example, let's say we want to click on this one. Let's actually preview this to see what it looks like. And you can see it looks very similar to the one that I made, and it's a template that's literally included with SamCart. So if you want to have a landing page, something like this, then yeah, you guys should be able to, customize this within 30 minutes to an hour and quickly get this live on your website. You guys can also select what types of payments you want. And the great thing about SamCart is that they actually allow digital wallets. We can take a look at the different upsells for this product. You can add or remove them as needed. You can also do a split test if you want. We can customize our product emails. We can look at different integrations, and we can add custom things for our SEO. Overall, I think SamCart is a very good checkout platform. Their whole job literally is to help you guys create landing pages and sales carts. I found that their platform is very easy to actually learn and use. And so yeah, if you want to be able to build out landing pages and sales carts using just a drag and drop editor, then this is going to be a perfect platform for you. They also have so many different tutorials on how you can actually, increase your conversion questions, how to use their different tools. And so yeah, I found that very, very helpful when it comes to deciding what features I want to implement on my sales cart pages. So yeah, overall, for any course creator, any digital product seller, pretty much literally anyone that sells products online, I think that you can actually get a lot of value if you properly use a platform like SamCart. Like I mentioned earlier, you guys can use the exclusive link down below. It's going to take you to a free trial of SamCart. Look at the different pricing options, look at different packages, and see which one works the best for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of SamCart, and I hope that as a user of SamCart myself, I've sort of showed you guys what the dashboard looks like, how you guys can create and edit your landing pages, as well as what your checkout pages can look like with upsells and other things like that. And yeah, hopefully after watching this video, you can make a more informed decision about whether or not you want to use SamCart. Anyways, thank you so much. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and tutorials helping you to start up your business. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.